Hi, this is Eric here. Just want to show you a quick video of these couple of just a Denali that we have here. This is Canyon and of course in Colorado. We have quite a availability in our inventory. What I would like for you to do is get you over here and basically show you two of these awesome vehicles that we have. We have multiple vehicles. We have multiple overflow lots. So if you would, get on over here and basically get in contact with Eric Luke at 706-453-2500 or call my cell at 706-207-9375 so I can get you and give you a great deal. And have a good one, my friend.